Here I have CAT S31 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to prepare a micro USB cable. Here I have such a cable. My cable is connected to my charger, but it may also be connected to your PC. And you have to open the protection for your cable. Let's be prepared and don't put it. Just start holding the volume up, and while holding volume up, connect your device by using your micro USB cable. Let's release volume up as soon as CAT logo pops up on the screen. And as you can see, the Android recovery is already in front of you. So here you can disconnect your device from your charger. It's not necessary right now. And let me just show you how the recovery mode works. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys, and as you can see here you can apply update from ADB, you may apply update from the SD card, you can accomplish the hard reset operation, so the wipe data factory reset, you may wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, you can also run graphic tests, set seed from SD card, set APN, and set config from your SD card. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the power off or the first option, which is reboot system now, and of course press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is restarting and booting into the normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the home screen pops up. Excellent. As you can see, now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.